Example 4.4. A closed coil of 40 turns and area 200 centimeters square is rotated in a magnetic field of flux density 2 Weber per meter square. It rotates from a position where its plane makes an angle of 30 degree with the field to the position perpendicular to the field in a time 0.2 second. Find the magnitude of the EMF induced in the coil due to its rotation. Now what is given here is the number of turns is given. The number of turns is equal to 40 turns. And the area is given as 200 centimeters square. So that is 200 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. And the flux density is given as, so phi b is given as 2 Weber per meter square. Okay. The flux density is nothing but the magnetic induction. So here it is not flux density. So this is B. The value of B is given as 2 Weber per meter square. Okay. It rotates from a position where its plane makes an angle theta degree with the field to the position perpendicular to the field in the time t is equal to 0.2 second. So what is a theta here is theta is 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, that is 60 degrees. Okay. Now you have to find out the induced EMF. EMF value you have to find it out. Okay. Now first we can go for finding the initial flux. Okay. Now initially it is at an angle 60 degree. Initially it is at an angle what? 60 degree. So we can go for finding the flux. Initial flux phi 1 is equal to PA cos theta. So B is what? 2 into area is 200 into 10 raised to minus 4 into cos 60 degree. Okay. What is the value here? 400 into 10 raised to minus 4 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this is 200 into 10 raised to minus 4, or you can write it as 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber. So this is your initial flux. Now for the final flux, the angle is theta is equal to 90 degree. It's 0 degree because the area vector and the magnetic field are parallel. So now theta is equal to 0 degree. So phi 2 is equal to BA cos 0 degree. So what is BA? B is 2 into 200 into 10 raised to minus 4 into cos 0 degree. 0 degree is 0 only. Cos 0 degree is 1 only. So what you can write here, 400 into 10 raised to minus 4, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber. Now what you have to find out is the induced EMF. The induced EMF is equal to psi is equal to n into d phi by dt. What is d phi? D phi you have to find out phi 2 minus phi 1. So it is n is phi 2 minus phi 1 by dt. So what is your time here? D phi n value is given as what? 40. 40 into phi 2 is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 0.2. Okay, time is 0.2. Okay, so it is 40 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 0.2. So if you multiply and divide, you will be getting it as 4 volt. So this is the EMF. The EMF here produced is 4 volt.